to show you how to check your funnel form stats. So if you have any funnel where you are expecting people to fill out a form to register for any webinar event or anything coming up. So what you will do is come here into sites and then select either forms or surveys, whatever you created. And then, so the builder is where you build your form, analyze where you'll get some analytics, and submissions is where you'll get your results. So let's click in here. So in here, you'll select from which form you want to know that's the submissions. In this case, for example, I want to know from the registration form. For that one, I got just one record. So there's been like only one record entered. Let's see, like for example, sales calendar. I got nothing. For lead form, I got nothing. And this is obvious because those are forms which I'm not using. The only one I'm using and I did a test for is this one. So you can go, as you can see in here, one by one, or simply select all forms, and you can see all of your submissions. And also, so you can check in here, and you can also export that list to get your details. But you're getting the same details, right? And that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.